Good morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for participating in our LinkedIn poll about oxygen compressors. Your opinion is very important for us. So today we are here to talk about the winning option, which is safety and connectivity selected by all of you. At CEAT, the product design and development philosophy is a combination of putting safety in first place together with a continuous experience exchange with our clients, with our end users, understanding the usage behavior. The result is a series of specific solutions starting from non-sparking materials. So the selection and use of specific and certified materials which do not generate sparks despite the contact due to the reciprocating linear movement of the piston along the cylinder valves. Dust-free assembly, cleaning and assembly of compressor components in exclusive dedicated areas with controlled clean environment using specifically clean equipment. Controlled temperature. Temperature is a key factor to keep the risk factors under control. CEAT has developed dedicated solutions to constantly monitor the temperature trends of oxygen flow within the compressor package and thus prevent any potential issues. Oil-free technology. This truly is the cornerstone of our offering, which is essential, critical to quality to all oxygen compressors, guaranteeing high performance, reliability, and availability. Separation. The separation between the lubricated parts of the crankcase mechanism and the totally oil-free components in contact with the oxygen gas can be achieved thanks to various solutions, including a white painted single compartment long distance piece, which is designed as type B as per the API 618 standard. Purging. In order to ensure there are no leaks of oxygen, the rod packing grooves that allow the piston rod to move into the cylinder can be purged with nitrogen in order to create a pneumatic barrier to the cylinder itself. And now I would like to talk about digitalization, which represents realistic state-of-art of CEAT solution offered to its oxygen compressor clients. Running test and performance, test remotely attended. With the use of today's digital connection technologies, compression running test and performance test from the CEAT facilities can be now remotely attended by our clients with real-time checks and setup of test parameters. In the same way, it is possible even to monitor and remotely guide the commissioning and startup activities. CEAT Me for You. CEAT is also exploiting at the highest level the different options for connecting, remote controlling and managing its compressors during its operation at customer premises. Such a service named CEAT MI for You enables CEAT to read, manage in real time the compressor operating parameters, as well as checking historic trends and generate periodic reports to the user. Digital engineered twin. Still talking about digitalization, it is very important to mention the recent development of the digital-friendly twins of CEAT compressors to simulate the design and off-design running conditions for compressor performance benchmarking. Thanks everybody for your kind attention. Please follow us on our LinkedIn page to participate in other polls concerning all of the CEAT MI product lines.